We have a special guest today. This guy with his Corvette, Mr. Z06 Poppy. So today, we're putting on some, what are we doing?
Side markers?
Side markers. We're putting on side markers. So he has these ugly stock ones.
Yeah, bro, you ain't gotta do me like that.
I think the less old man looking you can make this car, the better, especially if you're younger. So I think with these LEDs, he'll probably look like a younger dad instead of an old dad with this car. So that's always good as a Corvette owner. I think the more LEDs you do, the better. Like the more you're gonna look, younger. So,
Yeah.
or make the car look less old man, I guess.
Oh, fuck.
The tree just attacked him. So we're replacing the rear and the front, right?
Yeah, all four.
We're doing all four of them. The rear ones are just, stock red, and then he has the orange ones in the front. So, are they going to be smoked?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here we have them right here. Let's check these out. He has them in the box. Oh, they come with sunglasses.
Look at that.
I think you're supposed to put these on for insulation. So.
Fuck. Maybe you can, cause
Yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll put these on. These are going to be my insulation sunglasses.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
They got a fucking lanyard.
Lanyard, okay.
Card.
Nice, nice, nice.
And then, how the fuck you open this?
Sunglasses are on.
Open it like this. Shoo. Wait, watch out with the wrapper. I don't know.
Oh, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
Alright.
I'll get the wrapper later.
Yes, this is.
So that's it. So are they all smoked?
Yeah, they're all smoked, but
Okay.
obviously the rear, they're still like, they have the red LED, and then the front, they have the orange LED.
Oh, nice. Okay.
It still keeps like the color, but they're smoked.
Nice. Here, let me see
Yeah.
one. So here is the stocks, and then this is gonna be the smoked. So yeah, we'll get the camera in a good angle, and then we'll start popping these in. All right, so we turned the wheel to get clearance to the front bumper screws. There is 5 screws. They're different sizes, kind of weird, but there's larger screws on the bottom and then smaller ones as it goes up. We're using this iFixit kit with this little hex screw bit. So yeah, pretty much you pop this, you pull out the bulb and then you pop a clip out on the front or the back side here. And there's a clip you can kind of use your finger and push like that.
What the fuck?
So that should pop it out, and hopefully you guys can see this, but there's this clip right here. You just push your finger in and then it should come right out. So all right, so now we have the new side marker. So oh, it has a switch. Is it sequential?
I actually have no idea.
Oh, okay. So it has a switch here. I wonder if it's like for sequential or if that's for like the LED light itself.
Probably just to turn it on.
We'll find out. Yeah, and then this is what I assume plugs into the assembly. Yeah, so you want to pull out your OEM bulb, just like that. You can hold on to this, and this should plug into that. All right, so we had a quick interruption. So pretty much the OEM harness, like the inner connection, literally just came out and the wires were frayed, so we had to solder back on the original connection. So yeah, there it goes. And it's also sequential, which is cool. So these are sequential. It's probably what this switch is for. So if I switch it on, you get the sequentials. All right, so then pretty much once you get your connection in, you just have to clip it back in place. There is 2 clips. All right, so we got this side done. Here is the other side for reference. All right, so for the rear, there's going to be a screw right under the tail light, right there, directly below. So once you take that screw off, it's pretty much it, and the tail light comes loose. So you can go ahead and show them. So for the rear, once you have the tail light out, you just have to get the two clips like the front. You have to do this clip over here first because you don't have clearance for your hand to fit to the back clip. So you pretty much take off this first clip and then you'll have space to kind of push this kind of outwards, and then you can reach the other clip in the back pretty easily after. So, and it just pops right off. So yeah. All right, so we connected the cable, and then let's just double check to make sure it's in sequential mode. Cool, and then yeah, you just clip it back into place like that.
That's in there, right?
And then yeah, just pop back in your tail light and then put back that screw. There's a clip like where the screw goes into, so you might have to tighten that clip or play with it a little bit, but it should line up, and then you can put that screw back in. All right, so we're all done. We got them all installed and put in, and this is what the sequential looks like. That's the rear, and this is the front. Looks pretty banger. How do you feel, Mister? How do you feel?
Looks way better.
I think he is now a young dad, no longer a grandpa Corvette driver. So, looks good. It's pretty much like murdered out now. It's all black and smoked.
The wheels.
Just the yeah, the side badges is also chrome still, but it's looking good.
Damn.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Another short video. Hopefully we're gonna do some exhaust stuff soon. I want to get some like drive-bys and some revving exhaust clips for my car and his car as well. Would be cool. So stay tuned for all that.